Okay, welcome class. This is basic for mathematics. Mr. Collins once again. I hope you are all doing well. I'm also doing well by God's grace. Since our last meeting, not heard from me again, but I'm back. Okay, now somebody asked me why have I opened the browser. I want to show you the steps to find perfectscoregh.com on Google. So when open your browser, okay, when you launch your browser, just launch Google. Okay, so just type google.com. okay, then on the search bar you type perfectscoregh.com. okay, just perfectscoregh. okay, so that's the first thing you see here. Okay, just click on it, then you're good to go. So you can see it has been modified. We have basic 1, we have math questions, computer questions, math lesson, computer lessons coming soon. Basic 2 the same thing, basic 3 the same thing, basic 4, basic 5 and basic 6 coming soon. Now we also have stories. The sitemap shows you what you should do, the content on the website. Then we have our donations button here. Very important. Please donate. If you don't donate, this, donation helps this movement to go on. Because I want to have that. In fact, I want to dedicate my time for you up there to know more. Okay, deliver more lessons for you guys. So your donations will help. Okay, you have several ways of donating. Okay, so our donations platform include our mobile money, which is MTN, Vodafone. Then also crypto donations are also accepted. These are the crypto addresses there. Okay, we have Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Tezos, Shiba Inu. Please donate, please donate. If you're a parent and you're watching me, please, if your children are benefiting, please donate. Okay, can donate 100 CDs, 200 CDs, 300 CDs. It wouldn't cost too much. I know God has blessed you guys, so let the blessing also reach out to perfectscoregh.com, especially Sir Collins, myself, so that I can get time to give you guys this kind of lessons. Okay, so God bless you all. So donations are accepted. We're also coming out with our quizzes, the English quiz, the math quiz, and the general knowledge quiz, which is coming soon. So if you're using the mobile phone, okay, this is how it will look like. Okay, this is a hamburger. We call it a hamburger. Okay, so when you click on the hamburger, you see it like that. Okay, basic 1, which is there, basic 2, which is there, up to basic 6. Then the more here. Okay, then also you can follow us on all our social media here, especially our Facebook, our Twitter, YouTube. Especially we post most of these videos on YouTube. Okay, so let's start today's lesson. Okay, I'm going to start today's lesson. Okay, so today's lesson, what are we looking at? Last week we looked at how we can represent the figures with a multi-base material, right? And I taught you such a way you understood it better, right? So today we are moving on to the different platform. So if you were not with me last week, please let me just wrap up last week's lesson. So we learned how to represent these multi-base material. We learned how to write them in figures, and also how to represent the figures when we are given figure, how to design or how to bring them out, or how to plot them or sketch them. Okay, and we said because this one will take time in your exercise book, you can go with this. Okay, it's the same thing. You can go with this and that. This one represent cube, this one represent long or rod, this one represent flat. Okay, so that's what you can see there. Are you clear? So there's, when I asked to, if you are given the design like that, the multi-base material like this, and asked to write the figure for you, just know that this one represents 1000. So 4 of them, that's 4 times 1000 plus this one represents 100. Okay, so 4 times 100 plus this one represents 10. So that's what you have there. And the final answer will be this one. I hope you are clear. That'll be your final answer. This. Okay, just add it, and I showed you how to add it also. this simple form. Okay, so that is how you do it. Okay, let's go through it. I also taught you how to represent it when there's you have been given a number. So just use, if you are doing it in your exercise books, please, or your jotter, don't use this base, this cubes, and no, don't use this designs. Use the one I just taught you. Okay, let's look at today's lesson. Our lesson focused is what we are going to model giving numbers in a shading graph sheet, square as what shown below. So that's for the syllabus. That's what the syllabus is telling us we should do. So it will give us an example to model this one. Now, how do we model this? How do we model it? Okay, so I've designed my own graph sheet here. So this is what we are going to, the curriculum example. We are going to model the curriculum example. Okay, now it said this one, which is the flat, represent 10,000, the long represent 1,000, and the cube represent what? 100. Are we clear? So take note, the flat represent 10,000, the long represent what? 1,000, and the cube represent 100. So here they be giving us a scale 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters. So that is within. So for every cube represents 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters. So within the cube. So if you are putting this on a graph sheet, make sure it picks a cube like that. So let's make sure this one. Let me bring it front. So like that. So there, supposed to pick it like that. Okay. So you count how many? 10 of it. 10 of it. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10. So this side is 10. Okay. Then that side will also have to be 10. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the 10 reaches. So you have to reduce it to the 10. Okay. To the 10. So let me count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 10. So that's the first one. So we need only one. You need only one of this. That's because one represents what? 10,000. So we need only one. And we need 2 of the what? Long. Since one represents 1,000, we need 2 of the long. And make sure it also fits into your boxes. So there, and see, it's supposed to fit exactly to the boxes. Okay, so when you are drawing it at home, make sure it fits into the boxes. Okay, so this is the first one. I need another one. Okay, so the first one, I need another one. Sorry for the noise because of the mouse. The mouse is making these noises. So let's take, okay, so let me put it there. So let me fix it exactly there. Okay, so there you are. There you are. 2 of that. 2 of that. So this one, I have to reduce it a little. Okay, there you are. Okay, then here we need 5 of the cubes, because that's 1 cube represents 100, so I need 5 of the cubes. Okay, so I also have to make sure it fits into the box, exactly into the box. Okay, so let me go take it down. So you have to show. So every time I do it, please be careful. That's the first one there. Okay, so I need another 4 of that. So second one here, third one here, fourth one here, and fifth one here. So this is how it will look like. As nice as ABC. Very nice. Isn't that nice? Nice, isn't that nice? Very nice, right? Very nice. So this is how you can represent your this thing. Okay, very nice, simple as that. Hope you can do it. Now let's take further examples and see whether we can still do it. Now let's take the example 2. Now this one, example 2, you can do it. It's just similar to this. Okay, but let's take the example 3. Example 3. Example 3. Let me get a copy of that. Okay, I'll get a copy of that. So that's what I'm going to do for the example 3. Now, example 3, we are looking for 2 of the words. But if you are using your graph sheet at home, it's very easy. But here I'm using different graph sheets, so I have to make it straight. Okay, because I'm using the digital graph sheet, so which I designed myself. Okay, so I have to make it straight. Okay, so see how it is. Very good. So I need 2 of that. So let me go pick up 2. Okay, let me go pick up 2. But let me extend it a little. So I'll get. If I extend it to be the same thing, there will be no addition, no deduction. To be the same thing, I just expanded it. So let me go for this one. Okay, so 2 here. I need 2 of this one. So let me locate 10 of that. I can put it here. I count up to 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let me start from the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 from the top. Okay, from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I'll drag it all the way to that side. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Then 10 up. 10 up. 10 up. Okay, so that is it. 10 up. Then I need 2 of that. So 2 of that. So there. See, so 2 of that. Sometimes it's difficult to get the exact point, but you try your best and get it. Then what do you need for the long? I need 3 of the long. So let me get the long down here. Get the long there. So let me get the exact position. 1, 2. So I can also turn it up. I need 3 of it. So this is a 10. I need 10. Okay, 10. Okay, so I need 3 of that. No, I don't need this one. I need to copy this exactly this one. I need 3 of this one. Okay. Sorry, looks like I have a little problem with the mouse here. Okay, so I need 3 of this one. So the next one, I need another one. Copy paste. Okay, so it doesn't matter where you put it. All you know it has been carefully taken care of in the graph sheet. Okay, sorry. Okay, carefully taken care of in the graph sheet. So let's take the next cube, which is how many cubes do we need? I need 9 cubes, so 9 of this one. I need 9 of this, so let me send it there. Go design 9 of them. Okay, to go design 9 of them. See, this one takes time. So if you're doing it, please take your time and learn it. Else you get confused. It takes time when you're doing it. Okay. Very good. So 1. 2, see how it takes time. So it can take more than, if you are the one doing it, can take you more than 30 minutes, because you need to take your time to get it right into the cubes. Okay. So how many do I have there? We are looking for 9, not the number you see. I'm looking for 9 of this one, not the number you see. 9 of that. 9. So 9 of this one. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 more to go. So I'll put 4 more to go. 4 more to go. 1 more to go, 1 more to go. Sorry, because you know how this thing is. When you're working with it, you can make mistakes. So when there's a mistake, please forgive me. I just want the best, okay? Okay, so I think I'm getting something here. Okay, I think I'm getting something here. So don't worry about this. Because of the design, the mouse is having a little shaky problem, so you will not get it as. But if you are doing it in the house, kindly take your time and do it. Okay, so let's take the rest. Yes, let's do the rest, then we are done. 6. Then finish one. It's not anything difficult. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Eight and 9. So that's how it's supposed to be. Simple as that. So you can do for the rest. Very simple. I'm sure you can do the rest. Okay, you can do the rest. Very simple. I'm sure you can do the rest. So that's what we did for this. You can do for this one, you can do for that. This one is similar to that. Okay, so when you take 1 of this, 3 of that, and 4 of that. Okay, very simple. Very, very simple. So that brings us to the end of today's lesson, which is the lesson 2 of this. So please, if you don't understand, go over it. Just reverse it and go over it. You understand it. So that is how we can represent the multi-base material on a graph what sheet. As simple as what that. Very easy. Very easy. Oh, very easy. So God willing, I'll meet you guys in our next lesson. I'm out of here. I'm Sir Collins. Please donate to help build this company, to help build this firm, to give you more fat, more lessons, and more knowledge. God bless you. Remember, our computer lessons will be coming soon. We are still working on the maths. When we are done with the maths, we go with the computer lessons. And we're coming out with practicals as well. So God willing, I'll see you on the second lesson. Please subscribe.